If you're experiencing issues with Fortnite updates getting stuck, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or restarting your router. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Fortnite completely and then restart it. This can help refresh the update process and may resolve any temporary glitches. Step 3. Clear cache. If you're on a console, clear the cache by turning off the device, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. For PC, you can clear the Epic Games launcher cache by closing the launcher and deleting the Epic Games folder in the app data directory. Step 4. Run as administrator. If you're on PC, right-click on the Epic Games launcher and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that may be causing the update to get stuck. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall Fortnite and then reinstall it. This will ensure you have the latest version and can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing the update issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Fortnite updates getting stuck. If problems persist, consider checking the official Fortnite support page for further assistance.